So what we're going to do today is we are going to work on this section. So Walter, can you please keep your voice down? So HTML fundamentals. This is the one you're going to do today. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. You're also going to build a bookstore page, which is 16 steps. It has to be completed by Saturday morning, meaning you can work on it today. You can also work on it tomorrow. After Saturday, I'm not grading it. Whatever grade you have right now in your Infinite Campus, that's firm, not going to change. If you did your work after the due date, I will not accept it. So please be careful, meet the deadline. All right. Now, if you were to look into this, what are div elements and what should you use them for? It actually give you pretty good amount of information in a very short style. I'm going to read it. The div element is used as a container to group other elements. So what does container means? It contains, put things together, right? That's what div is. However, here's an example. Add another paragraph element inside the div. So if you guys were to do a little practice here, Gagik, I'm pretty sure you did not know it. You're going to click on interactive editor and you are able to open the editor right under it. And then do some changes, all right? This is not going to affect your grade. This is just purely practice. So you were to follow the instructions here, you would just try it here. So what is the advantage of using div? You will mainly use div element when you want to group HTML elements that will share a set of rules on CSS. Do you guys remember when I create a rule set for paragraph, it affects all the paragraphs on the page? However, if you could make it a container and then just target that particular container, it's going to only affect P in that particular container. That's the advantage. All right. Even though div element is commonly used to real world code bases, you should be careful not to overuse it because too much of div could cause you some trouble. Instead, you can use selection. It's pretty much similar thing. All right. If you want to see an example, again, you see, open the selection tag and then you close it. Anything in between will make it another group of elements together. Okay, like in here. Now, after you guys read it through, you're going to answer these questions. I'm not going to do that. It is yours to do. All right. Same way, you're going to click on every single of this and read about them. Believe me, guys, there's not much information here. Just very pure, good summary. Just take your time and enjoy it. I'm giving you more than enough time. All right. And then you answer these questions again, unless if you have done it already. When you're done with all these four, let me go back. When you're done with all these four, okay, you're going to start building your bookstore page. So it's a kind of workshop. You click on the first and simply follow the instructions. So workshop, you will build a bookstore page by creating book cards and so on. So just follow the instruction. It says, all right, I need to zoom out. There we go. So start by adding H1. So I'm going to just add H1. I'll do several steps and then complete it. So you can copy this whole thing. All right. Or you can type it H, X, Y, Z, book store. Close the tag. Now here's the thing, guys. As I mentioned before, you see it says bookstore, B capital and S is lowercase, right? In case if you do not match it exactly the way it should be, it might give you a problem. I'm not sure if it's going to give you a problem. Let's test. Because here, S is lowercase. I made it uppercase. I'm going to run this to check. You see, it did not accept it. So make sure you do the correct spelling. All right, I'm changing it to lowercase s, trying it again, and there you go, it worked. And then you proceed to the next step. Now, please make sure you understand all the details, all the information, elements, and everything, because I'm going to give you a final test at the end of the semester. All right? So, failing students, here's your chance. If you happen to pass that test, all right, I might give you the minimum passing grade.
What test, sir?